Hey, Jerry Fogert here. I'm standing on a bookshelf in a large library. Geez, I hope they don't kick me out of here. It's pretty easy to get help from within ArcGIS Desktop, including our catalog. To get context-sensitive help on any command in a pull-down menu or context menu, what's the most efficient and reliable way to view the geographic information assets held on the CD? Our catalog is the answer to this burning question. We'll use our catalog to make our project flow. In the realm of ArcGIS, pyramids are condensed representations of a raster dataset. Why would we need condensed versions of an original raster dataset? As we create the shapefile, which will eventually store the positions and attributes for these three birdwatching facilities, we will define its schema structure and its spatial reference or coordinate system. Welcome to this special training session, an introduction to ArcMap. A data frame can be used to group layers or assets in one composite group. While working in ArcMap, if we wish to go to a particular XY location, we would use the Go to XY tool. Let's walk through this example. Let's open the Layers Property dialog box for tree taps and make sure the Symbology tab is active. Now our goal is to select from the attribute table all of the states that have a population greater than 5 million. Before we dive into editing operations, let's talk briefly about ArcMap editing concepts, starting with sketches. When working with ArcMap, existing features on a map, an ESRI shapefile stores the attribute table in a DBase compatible format. Typically, the file has a .dbf extension. A shapefile is made up of three primary components, including the spatial geometry stored in the .shp file, the database component stored in the dbf file. The concept of associating tables is pretty important in the realm of geographic information systems, and more specifically, database management systems. An association or relation is defined as a set of tuples that all have the same attributes. For example, we have a one-to-one relationship between the geocode and a related database. So what I'm getting at is relatively few symbols used on the map have universal meaning, so keep that in mind as you're creating a map. Cartographic generalization is a key component to map production. Wind speed of the wind in meters per second at an elevation of 50 meters above the ground. Our map will eventually contain a legend which classifies the wind power. Using a combination of the control key on the keyboard and the left mouse button, I'll select those assets and click on the Add button. To accomplish this, from the georeferencing toolbar, we'll select Fit to Display. Okay. Next, we'll change the symbol. Hey, Jerry Fogert here. Let's spend a little time reviewing definitions and key terms as related to ArcGIS and geographic information systems in general.